Yeah. Yeah.
Next selection.
Yample. Missed it before that. Too much money in my pocket got me walking like a penguin. I'm too good for these hoes, yeah, I admit it. If she ain't getting money, then fuck it, then clear her digits. I'm faithful with my money, but I be lying to these bitches. Here, take the pipe. Now I'm going off your agenda. The kid got style, tell your mom into wow. Hit you with an action figure flow like pow, pow, boom, bada bang. Step your game up if you don't want your shirt to get stained. Man, I'm in the game, putting on for my team. I got a bad bitch, she say she from Louisiana. I got another bitch from Cali, she on a bouncer, only on the camera. Money old cause I'm stingy, I only spend it on my fucking bros and fuck on these hoes and we get windy. I'm sad, I don't need new friends, I got my yappers and we flying through your studio, coming out your cameras. And we can bang if you want to. Your street or my street, nigga, I do it old school. I been gone for a minute, but now I'm back. I'm in a fucking mouth like the dentist. Alarm going off cause I spit the hot serious. Yeah. It ain't over, nigga. Yeah. And my chain so delirious. Got your girlfriend in the backseat curious. Gon' cut the check if you can't, you ain't got none. What's on the curb, part one, go and cop one. Or better yet, gon' kill yourself, Atlanta Court. This my street 33rd, this my set. And my bitch wetter than a water puddle. She mad but the pussy be steady calling for me. I only smoke cause a Keisha give me good thought. My chick a golden piece looking for that mama geese. I should run the bank the way I got a money team. My daughter straight, my family good. Feeling like YG cause I'm good. No plaster, we from the hood. Closed chapter, no book. She wanna strip from me, big bucks. Taking over shit, big trucks. She gotta win ahead, but she suck. And you ain't talking about shit if money ain't invited. She wrote an essay on my dick, the girls were so excited. She took my picture out in public, then she started writing. She got a fat ass, put that ass on a diet. She got mad, started screaming like she was Mariah. She my main chick, I call her D1. I'll be a nigga if you be my BITCH. Girl, you ain't gotta worry about my hand on you, cause I got the magic keys like Pro Tools. Your body language is a trip, I hope you fall for me. Any girl I can have, but you I had to grab. You from Cali and I'm digging your swag. I pick you up, no curfew, girls, me and you in this room, what you won't do.